Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Satkosya Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Odisha. Which ministry released the National Blockchain Framework on 30th October 2025? Ministry of Electronics and IT. Who is the chairperson of the 8th Central Pay Commission? Ranjana Prakash Desai. What is the budget approved for NBS for Rabi 2025-26? ₹37,952.29 crore rupees. Which Indian organization signed a contract to procure indigenously developed SDRs? Indian Army. Who was appointed to head the panel to review export rebate rates under RoDTEP and RoSCTL? Neeraj Kumar Gupta. Which Indian company was commemorated with a special cover for its Golden Jubilee? Coal India. What new AI-powered encyclopedia was launched by Elon Musk? Grokipedia. Who won the Mexican Grand Prix 2025? Lando Norris. Who was sworn in as the 6th President of the Republic of Seychelles? Dr. Patrick Herminy. Indian cricketer who became the oldest to top ICC ODI batting rankings at age 38? Rohit Sharma. Which stadium hosted the first T20I match washed out by rain between Australia and India? Canberra. Which sports player was ruled out with hamstring injury at FC Barcelona? Pedri. What is India's key initiative flagged by Niti Aayog related to uneven job growth? Services sector job growth. Who is the CEO of Microsoft scheduled to visit India in December 2025? Satya Nadella. Which international day was observed recently related to stuttering? International Stuttering Awareness Day. What significant event is the Global Maritime CEO Forum associated with? India Maritime Week 2025. The Pope condemned anti-Semitism amid rising tensions due to which conflict? Gaza-Israel conflict. Which country warned Afghanistan of a stern response to militant attacks? Pakistan. What damage did Boeing face related to the 777X program? $5 billion charge. Japan announced an increase in arms spending to deter which country? China. Where did a tragic building collapse trapping people occur recently? Gebze, Turkey. Which country's floods caused death of at least 10 people recently? Vietnam. Which Indian cricketer made a historic swat flick against Josh Hazlewood? Surya Kumar Yadav. Which country replaced Pakistan in the 2025 Junior Hockey World Cup? Oman. Which Indian shuttler is mentioned among important sports updates? Lakshya Sen. Who is Gautam Gambhir in relation to cricket? The former head coach. Which Indian state's High Court stayed the order against unauthorized public gatherings? Karnataka. Which Indian Union Minister delivered the Sardar Patel Memorial Lecture 2025? Mansukh Mandavia. Which Indian state conducted a cloud seeding trial that failed to bring artificial rain? Delhi. What major AI partnership was announced by PayPal on 30th October 2025? Collaboration with OpenAI. Which aerospace facility was inaugurated in Telangana at Adibatla? TESAL and Safran Engine Component Facility. Who was honored with the World Food Prize as a top agri-food pioneer? Sanjeev Kapoor. Which cricket fast bowler was knighted for his services to cricket? James Anderson. Who is the new CEO of PayPal announced recently? Alex Chris. Which notable cricket event is upcoming involving India and Australia? ICC Women's ODI World Cup semi-final. Who is the oldest cricketer to become number 1 in ICC ODI rankings? Rohit Sharma. What is the focus of the Niti Aayog report released on 30th October 2025? Services sector job growth. Which international leader visited Seoul for an AI deal sign? Donald Trump. India got exemption from US sanctions on which port? Chabhar. Elon Musk's AI-powered chat payment collaboration involved which company? PayPal. Important service sector economic growth issues were flagged by which Indian body? Niti Aayog. Which country recently arrested suspects in the Louvre jewel heist? France. Which country faced severe floods and landslides killing at least 10 people? Vietnam. Who became the sixth president of Seychelles? Dr. Patrick Herminy. Which major Indian business leader is visiting India in December 2025? Satya Nadella. India to repatriate how many citizens trapped in Myanmar scam center? $500. India's IPO boom showed how much money per hour in October 2025? $200 million. Which country signed an AI deal with the US during Trump's visit? South Korea. Which Indian cricketer made highest score in first innings of Test against West Indies as of 30th October 2025? Sai Sudharsan. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.